In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know about creating departments in Sites Done Right. Our platform lets you showcase your organizational structure and where everyone fits in the hierarchy. By adding a new department, you can highlight its function and who within your team is responsible for its day-to-day activities. To create a new department, you can either use the Quick Create button by hovering over the plus symbol at the top of the page and clicking on the department, or alternatively, you can find this in the menu by going to CRM and ERP and clicking Departments. And on the page that loads, you can either use our intuitive wizard for building a new department or add a blank department by pressing the Quick Add button, which is what we'll do in this video. Once you've clicked the button, a new department will be added. You can choose to edit the title immediately from this page, or alternatively, you can click the Admin Edit button to perform larger edits for this department. Once the edit screen loads for your department, you'll have a few options. Firstly, you'll be able to change the system title for your department. This is only visible to you as an admin and makes it easier for you to find and search for pages within your site. You'll also be able to adjust your permalink, which is the link that customers need to visit when trying to find this department page. Our platform will automatically fix the link for this page to match the standards allowed on the web. Next up, you can get a walkthrough of building a new department by clicking on the Quick Tour icon. Or alternatively, you can read additional help for this department by clicking on the Help icon. The Quick Tour is especially useful as it will dynamically walk you around creating your department step by step. So let's do that now. Step number 1 is to just get an understanding of what the department details encompass. You can go to the Details tab to see what needs to be filled in here. You can add a department name, for example, accounts or marketing. For this example, I'm going to call it Outdoor Team. Next up, you can add a description for this department. We'd normally recommend including some text around the operations of the department, maybe how they interact with your clients, and most importantly, the value they bring to your business as a whole. So I'll go and grab some text and put this in place for the description. Next up, we can view the Team tab and see what details need to be filled in here. The Team tab is basically where you're going to add all of the members of this department, and you can start this by pressing the Add Member button. You'll be presented with an option to pick a team member from a list of your available members of staff in your website. And if you do not have a team member or would like to add a new one, you can always press the Add New button to create a new team member on the fly. Next up, you can set this team member's role within the given department. So in this case, I'll set Harry as the manager for the department. You can then go on to add more team members if there are more available. So let's add one more at this time. And we'll put him as an associate. And once you've added your team members, you'll be able to save your changes by either saving the current department as a draft for you to work on at a later stage, or by publishing this department immediately and making it available on the web for visitors to view. Let's do that now. Once your department is saved, you'll be presented with a few options to either view the department you've created, to perform additional edits, to view all of the departments in your website, or to add a new department. So let's view what we've created. We'll preview this as a desktop. And there we have it. All of the details that have been filled in for this department, its name, who's involved, and the description will all be pulled through automatically to your website. It is worth noting that your department's archive page, which is the list of all of your departments together, will automatically be updated to include the department that you've just created. This makes the process of creating and updating content across your website so much simpler and quicker in our platform.